Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be giving you kind of a journey that I'm going to be going on. I'm gonna try to stay true to my word and not give up, because y'all, I give up easily. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. But if you're new to my channel, just always subscribe if you're not, and thank you for coming back. So let's get started. So 2020 is a new year, new me. They say that every year, but like, we'd just be the same you. But I'm dead serious, y'all. Like, this year I'm going to go on a fitness journey. Okay, I've been buying a lot of stuff to prepare myself. I don't have a gym membership. I need to get one. So we already have some like gym equipment at the house. Not that much, but like, it's something that you can work with. But I don't know, I might get one. I've been buying a lot of exercise equipment, like weights. Let me just tell you what I'm about to do. I'm going to be going on a fitness journey 2020. I've already been doing like some little mini workouts so I can like build up my, not muscle, but like, you know how like when you first start working out those first couple of days and you be so sore? I'm trying to get over that stage, because if you keep consistently working out, then your body will get used to it. I've been doing like some little simple exercises, nothing heavy, because you're not supposed to work yourself out heavy when you're first starting. You're supposed to do like little simple workouts. So I just been doing like a little simple workouts. But y'all, let me tell you why I decided to go on this fitness journey.
I don't know why did I say it like that?
Yeah, I'm about to tell you why I decided to go on this fitness journey. Okay, so boom. I'm super skinny, y'all. And a lot of people, they like my size. Like, they like my weight or whatever. But y'all, I've been the same weight since middle school. I've been out of school for like 4 years. Well, technically 3, but this year will be 4 years. So I've been 117 pounds since the 8th grade. And y'all, I cannot gain nothing past that. Like, I have a fast metabolism, and everything I eat, it like doesn't go anywhere. Like, it just goes straight, well, not straight through me, y'all. I'm not sick. It just don't be holding on to nothing. I can't gain for nothing. So I tried to do this last year, but yeah, I failed. I haven't had a video. I only got like 25 views, but I had a video of me going to the store, doing a meal prep, getting some protein shake, and that was like last January. And that video didn't do nothing for me, okay? I work full time, so it's kind of hard going to the gym and balancing everything. So I might get a gym membership to build up my I gotta build up my comfortability. Dang, how you say that word? I gotta build up my comfortability. Okay, that was my computer. Yeah, I gotta build that up, because I don't like people staring at me. I hate people staring at me. I hate people staring at me. And I hate people staring at me like that. Maybe next month I'll go, but I have to find the time, because I really want to go and there's nobody there, like 4 in the morning. So I don't know how that's going to be possible, but like when I get off work, only thing I want to do is go straight to bed. Let me tell you some of the things that I bought, because that's just a little thesis. I'm super skinny. I've always wanted to have like a little shape. I'm super flat. Like, I am flat. Stick. Pole. Wall. You know, flat. Okay. I've been wanting to gain like a little weight, you know, have a little shape, you know, because I love wearing clothes. And the clothes don't be fitting well on me. Like, when I wear some jeans, I be having that like little gap, you know, like that, all that extra space, because there's nothing can fit there, because I have nothing to fit there. Yeah, I've been buying a lot of fitness stuff, and I'm going to tell you what I've been buying. I bought this Apple Watch. This Apple Watch. It's a Series 5. It's a Series 5 50 millimeter. Not 50, dang, they don't make 50 millimeters. 40 millimeter watch. It's the rose gold version with the pink sand band. And y'all, I just been working out I only did it 3 days consecutively, so every time I do it, I just turn on my activity app, which is this app right here, and it'll tell me how far I need to go. It's on my left hand, but it'll tell me how far I need to go, and it recommends that you do 30 minutes every day. I did 30 minutes yesterday. That's the first time I ever did 30 minutes. I was dying, but I did 30 minutes. Yeah, so I really love this watch. It's like really helpful, and it tells you when to move. It tells you when to stand when you've been sitting down too long. It has a calorie tracker, but I think that's the app I have. It has a heart rate, tells you when your heart rate is up and whatever, ECG. This watch has everything. So I totally recommend this watch. I'm going to do a what's on my Apple Watch because I have a lot of apps. What the heck? Hold on. I have a lot of apps on my watch, so I'm going to be showing you what's on my Apple Watch. But anyways, this app has really been helpful in keeping up with my exercise and stuff. It'll alert you when you don't do it, so it keeps pushing you to exercise. So yeah, but the reason why I failed at this fitness journey thing last year is because I am anemic, and I don't know if you know about a lot of anemic people, but they have low energy, and just the little simplest things that they do can make them feel lightheaded, nauseous, and all that stuff. So I tried to do like a full, workout last year, and y'all, like literally within like 10 minutes, I felt so sick. Like I felt so sick. Like I really thought I was about to be sick. Like, yeah, I got hot. I got nauseous. My heart was beating like 100 beats per minute, like 100 plus beats per minute. And I just felt so bad. So like, I just like, maybe this isn't for me. But I noticed that when I like work myself up to a high paced workout, like over the days, I don't feel like that. Maybe I need to take like a protein shake or something before I exercise, warm up, something. It was something I was doing wrong, but I also think it's because I'm anemic. But yeah, I bought this watch. I just bought some cute exercising clothes off of PLT. That's my favorite website, y'all. I'm going to do a fitness try-on haul. When they come, they'll be here January 14th, and I'm going to do a fitness try-on haul because I ordered 3 whole outfits, so that was like $100 something. They were all on sale. And yeah, I ordered my mom some too because I also bought my parents some Fitbit watches, like the Versa 2s, the ones that are like $200. I bought my parents those as well, so we all got smart watches for fitness. I think I'm gonna go to the store, Five Below today. Why am I out of breath? What's my heart rate? No, I'm just kidding. I think I'm going to Five Below today and get some like fitness stuff because I had some like bands, like when you're doing squats and you put them around your legs. I had them, but I lost them somewhere in my room, and I really don't feel like finding them, and they're only $5, so might as well just buy some more because I really don't feel like finding them. I'm going to buy some bands. I'm going to buy some more fitness equipment. I also bought some Blessed protein. I've been seeing a lot of the fitness people on the internet use that Blessed protein powder mix, and I bought the s'mores version, which was limited edition, but on Amazon it's an Amazon exclusive, so I don't know if they still have it because I went on the website. Well, I went on the Instagram page and people were saying, bring s'mores back, bring s'mores back. And the people from the Blessed company are saying that they don't have any more and they sold out. So how come Amazon got some? So I'm kind of scared. I hope I don't get nothing else. Yeah, but they said it was an exclusive and it was in stock. So it cost $40. I had a gift card and my sister got me for Christmas, and I used $25 toward it, so I only ended up paying like $15. Dang, I can't count. Paying $16, and I hope it's good because I read the comments. It's vegan protein powder. It's plant-based, so I heard a lot of people saying it tastes terrible. It tastes powdery. It tastes chalky. It tastes grainy, and that's the other reason why I stopped drinking my other protein powder I got from GNC because of the same reason. It tasted like crap. And y'all, I put other stuff. I put almond milk in there. I put the vanilla kind almond milk sweetened. I put fruits, bananas, everything. That powder was so overwhelming. Like I didn't even taste the other fruits. I just tasted that strawberry, and it tasted terrible, y'all. So I'm kind of scared about that. And I got s'mores, so that's interesting. But the reviews on Amazon were really mixed. Like, some people saying it tastes terrible. They paid $40 for it, so they're gonna just hold their nose and drink the whole thing because it's $40. So yeah, I ordered that last night, and I think I'm gonna do some meal prep videos because y'all, I work and I really don't be taking nothing to work, and I work from 6 to 3. That's like 9 hours. So I don't really eat nothing in between those 9 hours. So I need to start eating. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get on my fitness journey, gain some good healthy weight, really just building muscle, not really gaining weight, but building muscle. And I'm so excited. So if you want to join me on this fitness journey, you should totally subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing workout with me videos, all that good stuff, meal prep videos, fitness try on haul videos, just a lot of good videos and stuff from what I'm learning myself. So if you would like to join me on this journey, please subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram, and just stay tuned. Turn the post notifications so you can know how to upload, all that good stuff. And I will, if you comment, I'll try my best to reply. But you know, I don't really be getting that many comments on my videos. So, I mean, just comment something if you see this video. Okay, please just say hey, or I'll join you on this journey, or I like your shirt, something, okay? And like it, please like it, because that helps YouTube find my videos so more people can see it. But yeah, I'm really just holding scissors. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this fitness journey. This is gonna be a good healthy year. I'm gonna start eating more healthy, stop eating out more, stop eating out, all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.